There is one thing I've never liked about Craft CMS, going headless. When I use it as a backend for Nuxt or Next, I just want to grab the data fast and use everything I already know from Twig. That's where the Query API comes in. It's a Craft CMS plugin that exposes the Craft Query Builder to the outside world. Basically, it lets you write the same queries you would use in Twig, but now right inside your JavaScript framework of choice. First, install the Query API plugin in Craft CMS. This adds the endpoint that all SDKs use to fetch the data. Next, run one command to generate the public schema and bearer token to keep your data secure. In the frontend, pick your SDK available for Nuxt, Vue, React or Next.js. Now you can query data directly in your app using the useCraftEntry composable in Nuxt. It returns your craft entry as JSON ready to use in your component. To avoid overfetching, you can use the fields method in the query builder to request only the data that you need. There are some composables that help with developing. Use craft current site to get the current craft site and use CraftUri to get the CraftUri. There is even a useCraftSeoMatic composable that gives you everything from SEOMatic for that entry. And since modern projects need TypeScript, Query API can generate full type definitions from your Craft project config. You can even enable auto generation so your types stay in sync whenever your project config changes. It also supports a content-driven front-end approach. That means you can map your craft sections and entry types directly to Vue or React components. Just define a mapping between sections and components, query the entry for the current URL, and render it using the CraftPage component. Each mapping component automatically gets its craft data as props, so you have instant access to the entry right inside your page component. If you want to try it out, just run the npx create query API at latest command. This spins up a new Craft CMS headless project with the Query API pre-configured. If you want to see a deep dive on specific things, I would love to hear about it. See you the next time. Cheers.